This is a video of my Sophie. 5 females. They are all sold. I hope to keep the bows on them. I'm just showing how playful they are and how they're doing well. And a lot of them are leaving this weekend. I just thought I'd do another quick update to show how they're growing. Gold bow, black bow. Don't leave it on. Pink bow. Blue bow is coming out of her shell. There's blue bow. Blue bow was a little nervous even this morning, but she's doing well now. Black bow. Blue bow. Pink. There's red bow. Right there, red bow. Red bow. Pink. Pink and blue bow. Gold bow. Oh, black bow. Black bow. I think pink. Red bow. Red bow. Black bow. Pink, blue bow. Blue bow. Uh-oh. Pink bow has pink bow in mouth. Gold bow. They're kind of calming down already. Black bow. Red bow. Gold. Gold and red. Black. Now the one without a bow is pink bow. Oh no. Red bow's right here. Black. This one's red bow and this one's pink. Red bow. Pink. Black. Black. Blue. Come here, guys. Come here. That one is, oh, I'd have to look. The red bow and the pink bow, they took the bows out of their mouth, so, or out of their hair, so I had to look. Come here, Sophie. Bring him back. The gold bow still has hers in. The black bow still has hers in. Hey. Hey. No, no, no. Sophie, come here. Come here. There's a blue bow and gold bow. All right. All right. Gold bow. Okay.